All right, welcome back to part 2. It's going to be an installation of the slave cylinder and the proper procedures. Here's the only tools you'll actually need for the disassembly and assembly. It's a 12mm, and what I used for the hose was the adjustable wrench. So let's get to it. All right, we're under the truck, and what we're going to do first is we're going to take this rubber piece off right here, and then we're going to screw this in. So let's take this. Oops. Right. Get it nice and snug. There we go. See how it's on there? And then what we're gonna do is put the push rod right here. And then what we have to do is we have to push it just a little bit to where it'll fit right in between here. And when you do that, what you want to do is you want to take one of the screws or the bolts, and you want to put them in there right here so it doesn't pop back out. So remember, you're going to need 2 bolts, 2 12mm, one right here and one on top. What I'll probably do to get that top piece on, the top bolt on, is I'll go through the hood and put it on that way. Sometimes it's easier. It's not really many hoses and parts in the way from up top, so it's kind of easier that way. But let's see, and here's the new bolt I got, since the previous owner didn't have the other one. I can get it on there. Let's see. There we go. All right, there's that. And then what I gotta do is take your 12 and then tighten it. This. Let's see how I might be able to. There we go. And finger tighten it. All right, here we go, nice and tight. Then we gotta do the top. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's the top one. There we go. See if we can. There we go. After you tighten those up, you want to tighten the hose. Make sure it's on there pretty good. I'm soon to. Can't really get a good spot right here to tighten it up. Let's see. There we go. And let's see. There you go. It's pretty tight, and let's move on to the next. Another thing, I really do apologize if you guys can't see everything. I am in a very tight spot. Yeah, I know. Look at that. But I am in a tight spot. Yeah, I'm trying to get everything. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's continue on with the video. Guys, slave cylinder's installed. But for this part, it's going to be two people job. So what I have to do is I have to come down here and bleed it and make sure the clutch pedal has a proper pressure. And my girlfriend, she's inside the car. She's going to be pumping clutch 5 times and holding it, and I'll bleed it, and we have to do that a few times until there's pressure back in the clutch pedal. All right, guys, I'm in the truck right now, and I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the procedure that we did. We've already did it, but I'm just going to show you guys how we did it. So we got to pump the clutch 5 times and hold it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And once the person inside the car has done that, you're going to go to the slave cylinder nipple right here. The other person is, and they're going to unloosen that nipple. Once they unloosen it, either air or fluid will come out. If air comes out, that means there's still air in the hoses in the slave cylinder, and you need to do a process more than about, I'll say about 5 to 10 times is what we did it. So once fluid starts to come out, there should be pressure coming to the clutch pedal. But once that process is done, everything should be good. And make sure you check your fluid levels for the clutch slave cylinder. I probably need to put more in there. Gotta go buy some. But yeah, that's how you install it and do the proper procedures. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you need any help or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And hope you guys like and subscribe. Please and thank you.